ng mga bandang alas 3, alas 4, sinabi na sa akin ni Maroas, tinawagan ako, ang desisyon niya. Sa simula, I had a very my initial observation was in his favor. But on second thought, after coming home, I felt that this will be a liberating experience for Mar.
Pero sir, nilinaw
He will be liberated from all the burdens of the presidency. Number 1, graft and corruption. Number 2, massive poverty of our people.
lahat po ng mga problema ngayon.
Number 3, worsening criminality. Number 4, insurgency both in Luzon and in Muslim Mindanao. In other words, it will be only when you become president that you will find out how difficult this will be.
Pero sir, nilinaw po ba niya sa inyo na siya po ang tatakbong bise para kay nilinaw po ba niya sa inyo na siya ang tatakbo na bise para kay Noy Noy? Sinabi po niya kanina na susuporta po niya eh.
Initially, parang mahusay kay Nonoy yan. But in the end, it will be Mar who will have a liberating experience. Makabubuti kay Mar.
Itong desisyon niya.
Makabibigat kay Noy Noy. Sa aking palagay, you will recall what Ninoy Aquino said. I pity him who will be the next president. Yun rin